soaked. But as we have here, we're sweating so much. So I guess we have to make this where it cycles on and off. Can't run constantly. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we got this LG window unit here. And this is, well, I guess the way they're designing all of them now. It has a fan that wicks down into the condensate tray, or the bottom of the pan, and it's supposed to throw it up on this evaporator here. Oh, I take this back. This is the condenser here. The evaporator's inside. Anyways, but I keep getting water inside dripping from the unit sweating on the bottom. A little bit. The whole thing's condensating. See, look. All in the corner there. So we drill holes in the bottom. This one's underneath the compressor. And this one is where the water drains from the condenser inside. I mean the evaporator inside. I'm getting my shit backwards. So we put one here and this thing's draining like crazy. Look at it. It's taking as fast as it can out of here. This is the other drain. We took the plug out of it, but water never gets there. So what do we got? Take a look. Almost a half bubble of fall on it. Let's say on top. Yeah. A good fall on this thing. Alright, we drilled a couple of holes in the bottom of this pan in one of these Sling blade AC units. As you can see on the longer piece of metal, we got it draining real good. It's made a wick out of 2 pieces of wire, and that makes a path for water to want to drain. I think we got it now. Alright, thank you for watching and have a good day. LG